Soil moisture monitoring is critical for precision agriculture, but current methods using infrared sensors or remote sensing struggle with accuracy because they measure surface level or atmospheric data rather than directly sampling the soil itself. Our drone solves this by physically collecting in-ground soil moisture readings across the field, giving farmers ground truth data that passive sensors simply can't match.
Our drone runs on a Pixhawk flight controller, paired with a Radiomaster remote and RP3 receiver. We calibrated everything through Mission Planner and Ardu Pilot, which lets us monitor live telemetry data in real time. Things like altitude, battery, and GPS position, so we always know exactly what the drone is doing mid-flight.
To collect data, our drone uses 5 main components: a GPS module, an Arduino Mega 2560, a Raspberry Pi 4, and a P16P linear actuator, along with a custom software program.
Here's how it all works. First, our drone will land at a waypoint. Then, the Arduino will send a command to the Raspberry Pi to begin logging GPS data. The Raspberry Pi will also log soil moisture data from the Arduino, and it will also log elevation data by directly inputting its GPS coordinates into the USGS database, which is all done via Wi-Fi on board the drone. Finally, our drone will also gauge its distance to the nearest sprinkler to be used as a covariate in our interpolation model. All of this data is stored locally in our Raspberry Pi in a CSV file, and our custom-coded statistical software takes the CSV file and generates a high-accuracy moisture heat map for farmers to use. Farmers can seamlessly manage data collection through the AgraBhi Data Hub, which is accessible on any device with a stable internet connection. The AgraBhi Data Hub allows farmers to read sensor data, log sensor data, control their sensor movement, and also enter the coordinates of their sprinklers for better model accuracy. We experimented with 3 of the most common interpolation methods for geostatistics, and we also experimented using elevation and the distance to sprinklers as covariates. And what we found was regression kriging was the most accurate interpolation model, and the distance to sprinklers was the most valuable covariate. Regression kriging improved our accuracy by over 25% compared to IDW and 23% compared to ordinary kriging.
Using the data our drone collected, we ran it through multiple interpolation models to generate an accurate, field-wide soil moisture heat map, giving farmers a clear picture of exactly where to irrigate and where to hold back. To bring it all together, farmers couldn't accurately measure subsurface soil moisture with existing methods like infrared cameras. AgraBhi solves that by physically penetrating the soil at GPS-marked waypoints, automatically logging moisture data, and running it through our custom interpolation model. Regression kriging outperformed all other models, and the result is an accurate field-wide heat map that makes irrigation smarter and more efficient.
Looking ahead, there's a lot to build on. We want to add vegetation indices like NDVI and soil texture as covariates to improve heat map accuracy. On the hardware side, we're also working on increasing stability to enable fully autonomous flight and probe retraction. We also want to integrate an RGB camera with algorithms that detect overwatered or underwater zones and enable adaptive path planning. The digging mechanism will be upgraded with auto-extending pins and greater force for various soil types. And finally, we're exploring expanding the sensor suite to measure additional parameters like soil nutrient content.